Hello Crypto Sister community, before we get started, just a quick reminder that this video is not financial advice. I'm not financial advisor, so make sure you always do your own research before making any investment decisions. So let's get started. So, you want to get into token pre-sales, either because you're trying to invest early or you are thinking about launching a project yourself. Where do you even start, right? Stick with me because I will walk you through how people usually look for pre-sales and explore platforms that help you do it. So let's talk about the platforms. A lot of people know about PinkSale already. It is a massive hub for new token launches. They cover different blockchains like Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, and you can literally see how many projects are active on each network. So if someone launches on BSC and lists it, you will find it there. It shows the number of contributors, how much liquidity was raised, and cool stuff like that. Their ecosystem keeps growing too. Navigating it, it's super simple. They got a menu where you can browse the airdrops, you can see the launch pads, or even create your own pre-sale or token if you want. Yes, you can actually generate your tokens straight from there. Now, if you want to look at trending or newly launched coins, you can browse them or search by symbol, name, or contract address. To interact with anything, you just need a Web3 wallet like a MetaMask or Trust wallet. You go and connect it, and then you will see all the token sale info like price, start, and time, listing details, and what happens to unsold tokens. Now, another platform that is worth also checking out is a Gempad. It has a different layout and is designed around Solana launches. Don't worry, its interfaces actually look confusing at first, but once you click through a sale page or two, it started making sense. Just like a PinkSale, you can connect your wallet, view sale details, minimum and maximum buy videos, and project informations. So if you are a developer, you can even create your pre-sale through it. Then there is a DX app. If you like clean, minimal interfaces, this one really stands out. Everything feels simple. You can mint your token, you can set up a sale, lock a liquidity, or even drop new tokens. Now, when you click on a project, you get the essential information right away. You get amount unlocked, distribution, sales status, and you can connect your wallet there too. It is great for people who want something visually straightforward. So whether you're launching a new meme token, whether you're trying to find upcoming sales, or just exploring DeFi tools, these platforms are where people go to start. You can go play around them, compare futures, and figure out which one feels most comfortable for you. So thank you for watching Crypto Sister community, and I will see you in the next video.